Mr. Productive, subscribe now.
So hello everyone, in this video we are going to fix the issue of cursor not moving on a screen while you are using this mouse, which is MX Master 2S. So I know that some of you are facing this issue because this each and every mouse of this MX Master 2S category will have this same issue after some time. And the main problem of this issue is the thumb button of task view button that I am showing it right now. This button is creating problem just because when you are using this device after a long time, so the screws behind that button which is inside is automatically tighten up after some time. So we have to lose that screws first. So as I have shown you that we have to fix this issue by losing this screw. So we have 4 screws at the bottom of this, which is completely hidden. Again, I am showing that my cursor is only left and right click will work, and a button clicks, each and every button clicks will work. But only the thing is your cursor is not working at all. And yeah, so I have used that a small screwdriver, which already opened that 4 hidden screws, but it is unable to open that 2 screws for left and right button. So I have purchased new screwdriver box. I have given the link of this mice and this screwdriver both into the description, because this is the best screwdriver box I have ever purchased, and the mice is also good for creators. I know that there is an issue, but it can be fixed. So I've opened that is both screws, and now I have opened it. Do not open it by pulling it very fast, just because the ribbon that you have seen in white color is the connected wire to the thumb button, which is for task view button. So open it slightly with slow movements. So these are the 2 black screws which I need to open. So I have opened one and I am opening here second screws. Just I am checking the placement of this PCB of this thumb view button, which is good or not. So it was good actually. So let me screw that up. So now I am checking that my cursor is moving good or not. So you need to be balanced with both the screws. Do not tighten up one screw. So you can see that my cursor is working, and also inner screws should be balanced in with each other. It should not be something like that you have tightened up one screws completely and second one is loose. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.
Subscribe.